piece that you can see over there took me around 2 weeks, and the inspiration behind it is when we were still fighting for women's rights, a infamous lady called Lady Ronva was very known for having same-sex relationships, and she was giving a speech in town, and all the local men had gathered round to throw rocks, dead mice, tomatoes, anything they can get their hands on really, at her. And I took inspiration from that to create this by, you can see the skeletons in the picture are all scattered around, and you can see that obviously on stage there's 2 skeletons. Well, I chose the skeletons to signify queer people, because as you can see there's a couple hidden in the crowd amongst people who are like just little sketches, and I thought because you don't know who could be queer, who could be straight, that was a good way of like hiding it and showing some significance about it. So they were obviously hidden amongst the crowd, you wouldn't be able to see them, yet they were there amongst these 2 larger figures who are also skeletons, who were blatantly out in the open. And I thought that had a lot of significance behind it, and I honestly thought it made the piece significantly more powerful, especially for such an important time.